Hey there, Tan folks. It's Tanny Mangino here, reporting to you live from Hurricane Matthew. And guess what? I'm the last tan man standing out here. So I want everyone to be safe, and we're going to bring you a tanning tip or two during this dangerous time. So be prepared, be safe, and we'll talk to you soon.
Whoa, Tanny, this rain isn't good for my tan. What should I do?
Tanning tip number 351. If you're in a hurricane, make sure you get your tan in beforehand, because you're about to be out in the sun for about 36 hours. Tan responsibly.
Wearing a rain jacket sure doesn't help your tanning, but I'm gonna live to tan another day.
We're live here tonight in Jacksonville, Florida, in the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew. As you can see, there are trees down. The streets are abandoned and littered with debris, and there's just a general feeling that this is going to be a major project to clean up. And it's not over yet, folks. The wind is still gusting, and streets will indeed empty. This looks like a town that needs help. In fact, what it really needs is some extra tan help. What is that? Oh my God. Is that Tanny Mangino here to assist with the relief effort?
Did somebody say they needed some extra tan help? Well, Tanny Mangino's here to help out with this hurricane and to teach everyone how to tan responsibly.
You don't want zero problems, big fella. Yup. If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up all the mail. They gon' channel riding through the streets, they be like they go. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up all the mail. They gon' channel riding through the streets, they be like they go. Ooh, I just come and put the hinges in their hand. Counting bitches while we meet and make them shake my other hand. Millie rockin', scooping all the blessings on my lap.
Help me, Tanny. I don't want to get electrocuted. Yeah.
Gee, Tanny, that sure was a lot of manual labor. You're right, Tan Guy. It was a lot of labor. But our work has really just started. So everyone, stay responsibly tan, and also make sure to donate to your local Red Cross, because Hurricane Matthew has affected us all. Wow, so much destruction here in Jacksonville. But just like a great tan, we're gonna come back tanner than ever before. Just you wait.